Are you a lover of prawn starters or already a fan of Bhimavaram Royyala Veppudu? Then you must try out this recipe. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need 250 grams of cleaned and deveined prawns, paste of 1 medium onion, paste of 1 small tomato, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of chopped ginger, half teaspoon of chopped garlic, 2 green chilies, 2 dried red chilies, a string of curry leaves, chopped coriander leaves, 10 cashews, 2 cardamoms, 4 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Guntur Chilli powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of Garam Masala, salt, 4 tablespoons of oil, and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Let's begin with the special masala for this recipe. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a heavy pan. Add cardamoms, cloves, cinnamon stick, and bay leaf. Once the spices release their aroma, add the onion paste. This is the most important step. Don't rush through this. Keep cooking over medium heat, stirring regularly until the onion paste thickens, reduces in quantity, and the oil separate around the edges. Patience is the key for this recipe. The slow roasting develops the deep sweetness and rich flavor that gives Bhimavaram Royal Veppudu its signature taste. You can see the onion paste has thickened beautifully and the oil has started separating perfectly. Now add the ginger garlic paste and mix well. Continue cooking until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste completely goes off. The paste should blend beautifully with the roasted onion base. Now the ginger garlic paste is well cooked and fully blended with the onion paste. Next add the tomato paste. Cook over medium heat, stirring continuously until the tomato paste is cooked completely. Cook patiently until the masala thickens once again and the oil starts separating. One of the best things about Bhimavaram Royal Veppudu is that there is no strict recipe for it, and every restaurant and every home has its own style. You can see the tomato paste has cooked down nicely, creating a perfect base for a special masala. Now let's season the masala. Add some salt, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a half tablespoon of Guntur chili powder. Cook the masala with the spices slowly until their raw aroma disappears completely. The bold flavor of this dish comes from building the masala layer by layer without rushing the process at all. Now the color will deepen beautifully and you will notice the masala turning rich and aromatic. Once done, transfer this cooked masala to a separate bowl. We'll bring it back later. Now heat the remaining oil in a pan. Add finely chopped ginger. Add finely chopped garlic. Add sliced green chilies. Add broken dried red chilies. And add the splitted cashews. Saute everything well. Saute it until the garlic turns slightly golden and the cashews are evenly roasted. Add some fresh curry leaves. This tempering is what gives Bhimavaram Royal Veppudu its incredible aroma and the signature crunch for it. Add the remaining quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and add in the cleaned prawns and toss them well for few seconds. Prawns cook very quickly. You will notice the prawns start releasing water almost immediately. That's exactly what we want. Do you know, overcooking is one of the biggest mistakes when cooking prawns. They only need few minutes to become juicy and tender, so keep an eye on them. You can see the prawns have released plenty of moisture. This helps the spices cook evenly and keeps the prawn tender and juicy. Now close the pan with a lid and cook on medium flame. Open the lid occasionally and give everything a gentle mix. Continue cooking until nearly 75% of the released water has evaporated. At this stage, the prawns are perfectly cooked while still remaining juicy. Now season the prawn with required salt, remaining half tablespoon of Guntur Chilli powder. The Guntur Chilli powder gives the authentic Andhra heat. Add in Garam Masala and Coriander powder. Mix thoroughly and cook for another 2 minutes until the spices lose their raw smell. Here comes the secret that makes this recipe truly Bhimavaram style. Add the cooked onion masala we prepared earlier. Mix quickly so every single prawn gets coated with that rich, flavorful masala. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of ghee. I am adding it in parts. Mix gently and watch the masala turn glossy, rich, and incredibly aromatic. Continue cooking on medium to high flame. Stir continuously until the masala tightly coats every prawn. You will notice the pan starting to turn brown slightly. That's exactly what we want. This is where the masala develops its roasted aroma and taste. Finally, add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give everything a quick toss on high flame. And there is it. Our Bhimavaram Royal Veppudu is ready. The prawns have developed a slight crisp on the outside while remaining tender inside. Each and every prawn is coated in a rich spicy masala with a beautiful balance of heat, aroma, and texture. Which hidden gem recipe from India should we explore next? Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Food Method channel. Thank you.